This is Lenovo's most powerful gaming laptop ever.
Best? Okay?
It's pretty self-explanatory.
3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up.
Lenovo's Legion series has returned with a vengeance, and the Legion 9i is leading the charge with its cutting-edge specs and an innovative design. Let's kick things off with performance. Under the hood, the Legion 9i packs a serious punch with a 13th gen Intel Core i9-13980HX processor. This is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU with a TGP of 175 watts. This combination ensures that you're going to be getting smooth performance even in the most demanding games. In our tests, the Legion 9i delivered outstanding scores across the board, showcasing its prowess in both synthetic benchmarks and real-world gaming performance. While the laptop can get a bit loud under heavy load, which is to be expected, the cooling system does an excellent job of keeping internal temperatures in check, ensuring optimal performance without too much thermal throttling. Now let's talk about this phenomenal display. The Legion 9i features a stunning 3.2K mini LED display with an HDR support up to a jaw-dropping 1200 nits. That's an advertised peak brightness of 1200 nits, which for me was unheard of in a laptop of all things. Now, this display delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive gaming experience. In our testing, we managed to reach around 900 nits while testing with HDR on, and a crazy impressive 655 nits with HDR off. That's the brightest laptop display we've tested to date. It also scored close to 100% in both sRGB and DCI-P3 color gamut coverage at 99.9% and 97.5% respectively. Coming to the build and design, the Legion 9i boasts a sleek carbon pattern lid that not only looks cool but also repels fingerprints, ensuring your laptop stays pristine. But that's not all. Each carbon pattern is also one of a kind, so no two Lenovo Legion 9s sport the same design. Lenovo has made some smart design choices here with the Legion 9, like relocating the keyboard closer to the user so there's more room for cooling. Of course, this does mean that the touchpad is super cramped, but you're going to be using a mouse anyway. Additionally, you have the LED indicators above each port, which is nice, and they have done it with some other Legions as well, but it's good to see it again. Speaking of ports, the Legion 9i doesn't disappoint with its comprehensive selection. You've got Thunderbolt 4 ports, you've got an SD card reader, so you can see that Lenovo is catering to both the gamers and the content creators out there. What's our verdict on the Lenovo Legion 9i? Well, this is a triumphant return for the Legion series, offering top-tier gaming performance, innovative design, and a stunning display that sets it apart from the competition. If you're in the market for a high-end gaming laptop that doesn't compromise on performance or aesthetics, the Legion 9i, priced at ₹4.5 lakh, is definitely worth considering. So that's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one.